What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Spaces We Love, and I'm your host B1 Boy, and today I will be showing one of the best estates that we have. The location is Ruiru, just 30 minutes to the CBD. Today I will be touring a 5-bedroom townhouse, 5 baths, 2 kitchen, dry and wet, a rooftop deck, and some of the best finishes that we have in town. So right here at the entrance, we have this double door. You can opt to use one, but when you bring in your furniture, you can open the other one. So today we will be touring an empty house. I want to leave the imagination of your furniture sitting here for you. So right here is where we have the lounge. We have where you can put the TV right here. I mean, I love what they have done with this wall and these fine details here, the TV stand. Also the size of the windows is to allow good lighting inside your unit. I love the color and the workmanship that they have done on the floors, just to ensure that you have that fine finish right there. We have this door, which I will be showing you later, which leads you to outside. So when you come towards this side, I'm imagining you can put maybe your dining set right here. Then you can be washing your hands on this fine sink that is put here, with a drawer for you to put anything that you might need. Whenever you want to, you're hosting, the guests can be washing their hands from there. So we have 2 kitchens. We have this kitchen right here, then we have another kitchen that I will be showing you, comes with a burner and the drawers right here. Adequate storage space. We have double sink on this side, and I mean, take a look at these finishes. Soft open, soft close. On this other side, we have the fittings that they have provided. We have the oven and of course the microwave inbuilt right there. And I love the worktop, so neat and so well done. Then on this other side, we have your pantry and what I was calling a kitchen. Some people can convert this to maybe a laundry room. If that's what you prefer, you can have your machine here, or you can just prefer to put your dishwasher right here with the sink. On that side, they have also made sure to provide adequate sockets in every part of the house. Then on this other side is where we have the pantry, which is enough, comes with storage, comes with the drawers where you can just have the shelves, you can have your things laid out right there. Let me close this door. So we have another door right here, which I will be coming to show you in a few. So right now I want to get to see what we have on this ground floor. We have the washroom right here that your guests can be using. Let me turn on the light. It's a bit in the evening right now. It's around 6 in the PM here in Kenya. So we have another sink right here for your guests where they can be using. Then on this other side, we have 2 rooms. We have a room on this side and a room on this side. So let's see this room right here, which comes en suite. Love how it looks. Thank you for the light. We look at the cabinets, the wardrobes on this side. Then we have another door to exit the place on that end. As I said, comes en suite with a rain shower, a sink, and of course a toilet on this side. Close that door. So as we proceed, let's go to the first floor. Now using these stairs, I mean, look at that barricade. The finishes are so well done. I love how they have put the glass just to ensure that it looks modern, it looks so fine and just oozes out luxury. So the stairs are very gentle. Also, they considered to put some lighting right here for you to ensure. Let me just switch that on. There you go. You can be able to see that as you are coming up the stairs. I am a big fan of large windows, especially on the staircase, on the landing of the staircase, because you can have your shears dropping right here and give it that elegant and beautiful look. So up on the stairs, more lights here. I'm just imagining what you can do with this wall right here. And then a fine detail that I want you to note are these downlighters right here. They kind of look like stars. So you can imagine when you have this switched off, that is going to look so nice. You can switch that off and remain with the lights on the stairs, and that one only giving it that nightish experience. So coming on to this floor, we have 3 bedrooms. We have this bedroom, which is ensuite, this bedroom ensuite, and the master bedroom on that side. Let us start with this one. So we enter this bedroom. They have provided some nice wardrobes there. Then we have your washroom on this side. And the second bedroom kind of looks the same with the other one. The spacing is really good. Unfortunately, I won't be showing you this master bedroom today. Comment below if you want me to come for a second showing where I will particularly just focus on the master bedroom, because I'm telling you that space is amazing. We just have renovations going on currently that won't allow that. But in the meantime, this is what I have for you. I mean, I want you to visualize hosting your friends or your family with a nice dinner set right here in the evening. Even better, we have a bigger space at the rooftop deck. I mean, I'm talking about a bar area here. We have a place where you can just do your barbecue at the rooftop, your sink for you to wash whatever you need washed, and even better, you don't have to access the washrooms in the main house because they made sure to provide that right here. And to all my people who have been looking for that perfect home, I think this is what you have been looking for. Every space has been thoughtfully designed to make sure that your life is comfortable and modern and accessible to all the amenities that you need. We have very few units available in this estate. If you are interested with a viewing, please let me know. Here's my number below, and I will be sure to book you for a personalized tour right here. Please pardon my lighting because it's almost 7 p.m. right here, but I want to show you the outside of this house and what we have right here. So this is one of the units, and we have another unit on this side. I hope you remember this door that I told you leads you to outside. So you come right here. It goes all the way around to the kitchen side. You can have your laundry here. As I said, you can opt to convert your second kitchen as a laundry, or you can have your laundry put here. You can have your machine over there. I mean, there's enough. There's the outlet and the inlet as well. Then it goes all the way around, just surrounding the house.
Oh.